In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages in Discord. Discord is a fantastic platform for connecting with friends, joining communities, and even working on projects together. A key feature of this digital gathering place is its direct messaging capability, which allows you to privately converse with someone without the prying eyes of other server members. Whether you're entirely new to Discord or just need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Discord website. This is your gateway to entering the vibrant world of Discord. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the Discord login screen, a familiar sight for many but a first step for some. The next step involves entering your email address. Make sure you use the email linked to your Discord account. It's the email you initially used to sign up for Discord. If you have multiple emails, it might be a good idea to keep the correct one handy for such occasions. Following the email, you will need to enter your password. Remember to type it carefully. Your password is your key to unlocking all the interactions and connections waiting for you in Discord. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Discord offers a password reset option right there on the login page. Once your email and password are correctly entered, it's time to click on Login. This button will light up awaiting your click, which propels you into Discord's dynamic interface filled with servers, friends, and countless conversations. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Discord home. This is where all your interactions begin. Think of it as the main hall of Discord, from where you can navigate to different rooms, the servers, and in our case, the direct messages. Now, look towards the side navigation bar and click on Friends. This button will reveal a list of all the people you've connected with on Discord. It's essentially your social hub on the platform, showing who is online and available to chat. Speaking of which, to see who's currently active, you'll want to click on Online. This filters your friends list to show only those who are actively using Discord. It's a helpful feature, ensuring you're not sending messages to friends who might not check their Discord for a while. Next, with your friends list filtered to those online, find the friend you want to message and click on the message icon next to their name. This action opens up a direct message window between you and them, a private space where you can chat away from the eyes of other server members. Finally, it's time to type in your message. This text box is your canvas. Whether you're planning a game night, asking a question, or just catching up, your message is a direct line to your friend. Once you've composed your message, hit enter, and your words will zoom through the digital ether of Discord, landing right in your friend's direct message inbox. A few things to remember. First, you can also start a direct message with someone by clicking their username in any server where you both are members, selecting message, and following the same steps. Second, if you're messaging someone for the first time, or if it's someone not in your friends list, Discord might ask you to confirm the message, just a little security step to keep the communication consensual, and that's it. Sending a direct message in Discord is as simple as that. Whether it's for planning, collaborating, or just staying in touch, direct messages are a vital feature of the Discord experience. So go ahead, start typing, and connect with someone today. Thanks for watching.